Good morning, Pop Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees, and Woodworks. So the swarm box on the right is the one that I videoed yesterday afternoon. The one on the left is one I didn't know I had caught, and I got a text message. But he didn't say anything about it, so I rode on up there just to see what we had. And there's bees in that box, definitely. The other one is the one that I wanted to video, them going in and out of it. I believe that's it. I got so many on the yard I got to install, I can't tell you. Good, grab a daggone hive tree. There's the swarminess. Alright, so this is number 31 that I videoed, and that's number 32 sitting beside it. This is the one that come out at the swamp outside the big field. Let's go catch a couple of swarms there a year, maybe 3 or 4. They're usually pretty good sized swarms. This one ain't nothing to write home about, but hey, we're gonna take it. Got a little bit of usually got coon going on there. We ain't gonna have that. Get rid of that right now. So I've been in here a little bit because I got some capped. I've been looking at the bees, but figured that they were daggone scalps, just because of what we typically get over there. They hadn't been showing me a whole lot. They've drawn that out and it's laid up. Eggs in that. They've drawn that up, got eggs in it, got some capped in it too. So yeah, they've been in there a little bit longer than what I had expected. At least they put all the comb on the frame and not off the bottom. I would have had a mess. Got all that drawn up with nectar in it. Still haven't seen the queen. That's okay, we're going to leave these girls in a 5 frame. Is what we're going to do. I'll set that down on the ground. Grab a bottom board to put them on. We're going to kill that hive beetle so we can see her. Head hive beetle. Put that on the truck so we can reload her. Most part them girls are drawing pretty wet. We're going to put that back down there. I'm just trying to find her marker right now. I'm going to let them carry on with the program just like they have been. And that's going to be that. We use my ratchet straps. Alrighty, Pop Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees, and Woodworks. That's swarm number 31 installed. Now we're going to bounce over here and do 32.